Moi, Turku Yoga Guide here. In this session, you will learn the first balance pose, which is called Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. But before that, let's talk about a few words about Tapas, which means discipline. And you will need quite a lot of discipline in order to do your daily yoga practice. And remember, the practice doesn't need to be very long. It's enough to practice just a few minutes every day. But you should be practicing every single day. Either your yoga poses, your breathing, or meditating, calming your mind, being quiet and still, or your relaxation. So you have a lot of options what you can practice. And not all the practices are supposed to be similar. So you have the freedom to choose what do you want to practice. But you need some discipline to practice and practice and practice every single day. Because without the practice, nothing happens. Your body doesn't get any stronger. And your mind doesn't get any more calm or clear or quiet. And it's not enough just to think about the practice. You actually need to do the work by yourself. And let's start working with the first balance. Let's look at the first balance, Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. I will show you first how to do the pose with the strap. So if you have a strap or a rope or a piece of string, place it underneath your right foot. And then lift your right leg up, keep your knees straight, and walk with your hands along the strap as far as you can. And then with the right hand, hold on to your strap. Keep your back strong and straight. Keep your standing leg also strong and straight. And place the left hand on your lower belly. And now remember to find your bandhas, your pelvic floor muscles, and also your lower belly. Stay here for 5 breaths. So you're holding your strap. And then let go of your strap after the 5th exhalation. Place both hands on your waist, on your lower belly. Point your right foot and let the leg float in the air for the following 5 breaths. And then lower your leg down and repeat the same thing to the left side. So place the strap underneath your left foot, place the right hand on your waist. With the inhalation, lift your right leg up and walk with both hands first along the strap. And with the left hand, now this time hold on to your strap. Place the right hand on your waist. Stay here for 5 breaths. And remember to look and focus to one point to keep your balance. If your eyes are wandering all around the room, then also your mind starts wandering, and it's very hard and difficult to stand still in one leg. After the 5th exhalation, let go of the strap and then let the leg float in the air. Keep your knees straight and also point your toes. Hold your fingers on your lower belly. Remember your drishti, the gazing point. And try to feel how the breath happens in your chest. So the chest is soft and moving, but everything else is very still. So you are standing grounded with the right foot. And then lower your leg down again. If you have more flexible hamstrings, you might want to do the same thing without the strap. So with the inhalation, lift the right leg up. You can first bend your knee to reach and grab around your right big toe. And then try to slowly straighten your leg. But make sure the leg stays right in front of your body. So you're not opening your leg to the side or you are not crossing the leg to the other side. So keep the leg directly in front of your body. After the first 5 breaths, let go of your big toe, point your toes, and let the leg float in the air for the following 5 breaths. And then you slowly lower your leg again. So in this pose, we will have 10 in and exhalations. So let's do the left side without the strap. As you inhale, Lift the left leg up, reach down to your left big toe, and with the exhalation slowly try to straighten your knee. Stay here for 5 breaths and then let go of the toe so the leg is floating in the air. You keep your knees straight, you keep your back long and straight. And after the 5th exhalation, which is actually the 10th exhalation, you slowly lower your leg again. And that's the first balance, Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. So the balance pose makes your whole body strong. You will connect your feet firmly towards the floor like you would have roots growing deep inside to the earth. Then you have your straight, long legs. You have the long and straight, strong back. And then you have also your strong arm and strong leg, which is in the air. First you hold on to your leg and then you let go of your leg. So this will give you control of your body and control of your mind. And that's also the discipline, the self-discipline that you will need in order to practice every single day. Even though it feels hard and difficult, even though you would feel tired or lazy, you just try to do your best. And even though your practice is not perfect, it doesn't matter. We are not aiming for the perfection. We are just aiming for the repetition of the poses and doing them every single day. So let's meet on another day and do the second balance. Kiitos, moi moi!